Keyboard Kids.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
What's up?
I'm ready to find it.
Oh, there's a map. Get it.
So you read it this time. This isn't read it. Open it up. Number you have to find first. One. Where's that number? Hey, you look.
Oh, what's she have? Oh.
Where's the light?
Oh, there it is. Get it, Els. What is that?
A crayon.
What color?
And it's all wet.
A yellow crayon. What letter does yellow start with?
Y. Oh wait, you can have so many.
Ah!
Stop me into the lake.
Which just got you?
Now open it.
Oh. Open it up. All right, you want to read the map?
Let's do Bailey's turn.
Okay.
So Bailey didn't
Bailey,
turned on these.
where's 2 at?
Well, let's vote garden
The sidewalk.
sidewalk. Yogurt.
You love yogurt.
Well, I love hot dog. I love noodles and hot dog. I love noodles and hot. I love noodles and hot dog. I know number 3 is up here.
Oh, you already know number 3 is at the playground.
Why did it run me the wind blowing right up there?
Yeah.
I won.
Oh, what is that?
Darn. You was wet.
It's because it's raining.
Meow. I'm busy yawning. What's wrong? This is yours.
Well, I'll be rolling up some yarn later. Come back here, kitty.
My kisses are going to taste that yarn. There it goes. It's a yarn.
We gotta find out where number 4 is.
Number 4 is that fence.
Is that what it says?
Billy, it's
Yeah.
fence. Wait her up. Don't touch it.
Whoa. Well, what is that?
Yo-yo, give me the yo-yo. Yo-yo.
Oh,
Yo-yo.
see if you can use it. Uh-oh, I gotta wrap it up.
I just want to I didn't get the number.
All right, it's ready.
Yay! Well,
Let's try your skills out, Ellie.
nasty number. Mama.
Not so good.
Not so good. Mama, this number broke down.
You wrapping it up now? Bailey, do you want to have a try at the yo-yo?
Yeah, I did. First, I have to wrap it. I'm gonna walk at the fence. I'm gonna look at the fence. Cars and bills. It's a car and bills.
Right. You want to give it another try, or is it Bebe's turn?
My turn.
Oh. All right. We'll give it another try. Get the yarn, kitty. Get the yarn. All right, guys. What did we find today?
Yogurt, a yellow crayon, a piece of yarn that Bailey loved, and a yo-yo. This is only 4 things.
What letter do they start with?
Why?
Y. Because Y is a very difficult letter. Like the rest of the alphabet.
And that's going to be Z.
Mm-hmm. What do we say?
Keyboard kids! Keyboard